Welcome to the IT Dungeon. Today we are installing fastfetch on a Linux Mint system. First, we need to add the fastfetch repository by running the sudo add apt repository command followed by the repository name, which is ppa:/zang/song-kui 3371/fastfetch. We are then prompted to enter the sudo password. Then enter to add the repository. I then attempted to install fastfetch, but had no luck. This is because I did not run the apt update command beforehand. I'll keep my mistake in the video just in case anyone else does the same thing. Now it's possible to run the apt install fastfetch command successfully. Finally, let's take a look at this system's fastfetch. Thanks for stopping by the IT Dungeon.